In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can change your aspect ratio and your project along with that aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve 20. So first, changing your aspect ratio is quite simple with the latest updates. You can go on top of here in this toolbar, and when you click the timeline resolution option here, you can see you have several options. If what you're searching is not here, you can click the custom timeline settings to add it. But as you can see, my project now is in 4K. You can go to Full HD, you can go to portrait mode even, and then you can also choose square. But when you choose square, what you can see now is that it's cropped, but you get these black bars. And to avoid getting these black bars, you will need to change your project along with the aspect ratio you choose. And to do that, quite simple, in your media pool, which if it isn't open, you can click here. Make sure also that you're in the edit option of DaVinci Resolve, by the way. And then here you can see your timeline. When you right click, you can choose timelines and then go to the timeline settings. Two things we want to do here. First, make sure that use the project settings is unchecked. So you don't want to have this one checked. And then the second thing we're going to change is this mismatched resolution option. So now at the moment it's set to scale entire image to fit. And we're going to change this to scale full frame with crop. Meaning that when we now change our aspect ratio to square, it will change the aspect ratio and it will still be full frame, but the sides will be cropped to create your aspect ratio. So then press OK. And as you can see, it immediately changes. So we now have square. Let me just go back to full Ultra HD. I'm going to put this one to 70 or 50% even, so you can see. And when I now choose square, my entire image is in square. So my entire aspect ratio, also my aspect ratio of my project is now square. So my entire image isn't fitted into a square aspect ratio. The sides are being cropped, so you still have that full frame and your image will be in a square aspect ratio. And it's as simple as that to change your project settings along with your aspect ratio settings in DaVinci Resolve 20. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.